My name is Maximilian Wright. You can find me down at Prohibition, Speakeasy, and the Gas Lamp. Sweaty Palms and Midnight Psalms is the story of love and lust and coming-of-age tale. Growing up in San Diego in 7th grade, you didn't want to miss December nights at Balboa Park because that was the place where a lot of people got their first kiss or other things. I have champagne in my cocktail and a wine reduction that's also made here in San Diego. So kind of the bougie December nights on the Prado type deal right there. And keeps it sexy. So, Henna Berry being the rye whiskey, best known from San Diego, and R&D bitters definitely sets the ground there in the location. So for the Sweaty Palms and Midnight Psalms, start with a little lemon juice, about 4 dashes of cherry apple R&D bitters. We have the Reno Mato Americano. Get a ½ ounce of that guy. We have our cinnamon simple syrup. 3/4 ounce, a ½ ounce of this grape nectar. You get 1.5 ounces of Henna Berry spiced rye whiskey. A nice little shake. And strain that over some fresh ice. Top with champagne. Some orange zest to brighten it all up. And then you have the Sweaty Palms and Midnight Psalms. Cheers to San Diego and Balboa Park.